Hey guys, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, let's play with makeup again. And I have here the Urban Decay Moondust palette. So it has actually 8 different colors, but they are nothing but really glittery stuff. So I will see if kaya kong i-incorporate ito kasi hindi ako masyadong familiar with this palette, and I just bought it because I thought it was nice, pero hindi ko pa talaga siya masyadong nagagamit. So, tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan nitong video na to. So, stay tuned! Okay, so ipiprep muna natin yung eyelids natin. So, for this one, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Okay, so I have here the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette, and for the smoky effect on the side, I am going to use this one, which is the Whiskey. And then using a blending brush, you blend it from the inside, working your way out para hindi masyadong harsh yung color dito sa eyelid mo. And then on the outer and inner corner of our eye, we're gonna use this one, Smolder, still from the Urban Decay Smoky palette. And with the same palette and the same brush, let's do the smolder here on the lower lash line. So now we're going to use the Moondust palette dito sa middle part ng mata, and I am going to put another eyeshadow base primer. For this one, it's gonna be the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base para talagang dumikit yung glitters niya, kasi yung palette na yun sa Moondust is really glittery, and may tendency siya na magkakaroon ng fallout dito sa pisngi mo. So I would suggest before you start putting the base primer foundation sa mukha ninyo, unahin nyo muna yung eyeshadow ninyo para at least malinis nyo pa yung mga droppings dito sa baba. Or, pag naglagay na kayo ng foundation, lagyan nyo muna dito siguro ng parang loose setting powder or any loose powder para madali lang siyang i-brush out kapag nagkaroon ng fallout yung eyeshadow. So, let's do it! the reason why gumamit ako ng daliri ko instead of the brush while doing the Moondust palette is because yung eyeshadow na yon is very glittery, and kapag nirarab ko yung daliri ko doon, actually mas dumidikit siya sa daliri ko together with the glitters and the color. So pag apply ko sa eyelid, hindi siya ganun ka loose, so hindi nagsisihulugan dito sa pisngi ko. Whereas kapag brush, every time na ginagamit mo, nirarab mo dun sa palette, parang nagiging loose siya. So when you apply it on your eyelid, magkakaroon ka ng mga fallout dito sa pisngi. So mas prefer ko na gamitin yung daliri ko instead of the brush for this one. Now for my favorite part, let's put some eyeliner on. And there you have it, the Moondust palette in Vega. That's what I used for today's video. On the next video, I'm still gonna use the Moondust palette, but I will play around with the other different colors that's in there. So I hope you guys liked and enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, saying don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Bye!